Police tighten security at Agrahara Dasarahalli in Bengaluru as police close all the main roads and lanes in Agrahara Dasarahalli. Police has blocked all the roads by erecting barricades. A complete seal down sign on barricades is there and it has created panic amongst the people. Cops have tightened the security following the spike in COVID-19 cases in the area. So that's the news we are bringing in at this point of time to all of you, as police have tightened the security at Agrahara Dasarahalli in Bengaluru, as police have closed all the main roads and lanes in Agrahara Dasarahalli. Police have blocked all the roads by erecting barricades, and what this has done is a complete seal down has created panic amongst the residents living over there, as cops have tightened the security following a massive spike in COVID-19 cases. I have my colleague Ashish joining me live from the newsroom. Well, Ashish, things are certainly not well when it comes to Agrahara Dasarahalli.
Well, absolutely, Abhijit. Now, security has been heightened in the area, and that is a norm across the city. There is nothing new in that. But having said that, the poster that has been put up on the barricades, apparently by the police, has now created panic amongst the residents. Why has it created panic? It is because the poster says that, there is a seal down in place. They have used the word seal down, as you can see on your screens right now. The particular word, just seal down, is something that has created a lot of panic amongst residents. And now there are various rumors being flouted by miscreants across the area in Dasarahalli that 6 to 7 people have tested positive in the region, and that is why there is a seal down on the place, and all of these rumors have started doing the round. Of course, there is no confirmation of the same, and that is baseless as of now. But having said that, all of these signs that have been put up on barricades across the area have now created panic amongst the residents. But having said that, the police officials, we tried contacting the cops, the Magdi Road police station cops, and all they had to say that people had been defying lockdown, people had been coming out of their houses and traveling despite there being a lockdown in place, and to make sure that people have a fear of the virus, and to make sure that people stay inside their homes, such signs have been put up. But clearly this is something that instead of actually making sure that people stay inside, this has gone on to also create some sort of a panic amongst the residents, who are now worrying as to why exactly is the area being sealed down, and that has also led to various rumors of various people testing positive from the region, despite there being no confirmation of the same. So all of these things are happening. The police officials, of course, tried to make sure that people actually are aware of the situation and stay inside by looking at the seal down sign, but it has in fact gone on and created much more panic than doing any good, Abhijit.
Well, Ashish, I believe you are from the same place as well. So tell me about the ground reality, in the sense that are there any patients who have been reported over there? Number one, and any particular numbers which have come out from the authorities. Plus, also, what about the necessities, the daily necessity goods? Will it be provided at the doorsteps, or what is the solution to that problem?
Well, Abhijit, to put it on record, no cases have been reported from that area. This is something that the people watching from that area need to understand, that unless there is a confirmation from the government, you should not actually believe in any sort of rumors that are doing the rounds. No case has been reported from Agrahara Dasarahalli, and the seal down sign that you look on your on the barricades out of your homes in the area are merely put to make sure that people are alert and people actually realize the seriousness of the situation. Apart from that, there is no strength, there is no any sort of confirmation about any sort of person testing positive from the region. So that is that is the reality on ground at the moment. And of course, you have a lot of people actually defying the lockdown in that particular area, and that has now prompted the police to go ahead and take that action. So all of these things are now being seen across the city. You have security being heightened across various new places that are now being identified as hotspots, but at the same time you also have a lot of rumor mongering that is happening. Some people are going ahead and spreading rumors of various people testing positive, but as of now, this particular area, the residents watching need to understand that there are no positive cases in the region, and there is nothing to be scared about.